Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Koryn, for those of you who do not know. So today we're going to be doing DIY press-on nails, and I'm going to be showing you how to make them last longer. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And also, if you already are subscribed, thank you so much for stopping back by. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just going to file down my nail bed. Oops, sorry. So this is the kit I'm going to be using. This kit is the Makartt kit. I purchased it from Amazon, and it's coffin nails, coffin press-on nails. So it goes from 0 to 9 for the shape, 0 being the largest and 9 being the smallest. This kit is awesome. I purchased it, I would say, 3 months ago, and it still lasts me a long time. I do my press-on nails every 2 weeks. It comes with 3 of these little glue things that I think are very strong. It's actually really good. I do recommend using the glue that comes with the kit. And then it comes with a little file that I misplaced somewhere, but you know, that's okay. And then on top of that, for like bedazzling my nails, I did purchase these little decoration things, little decoration beads that I like to use every once in a while. It's my favorite. Silver and gold being my favorite, and then sometimes I'll do the colorful ones, but these two are my favorite. So today I'm going to use the silver ones. I also purchased on Amazon this large kit of nail polish. It comes with a nice amount. This one is actually the one I put in there, but it comes with, I would say, it comes with 9 nail polishes, and I love them. So many different variety, but I will be ordering more so I can have even more variety of nail polish colors. And this little thing, this little tool, actually comes with these jewels to really help pick them up because they're so tiny. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I already filed down my nail bed. That is essential to help getting these to last much longer. Now what I'm going to do is, this is what saves me a lot of time. I'm going to measure out each finger nail with the correct size press-on nail and lay it out in the shape of a hand for both hands, okay? So I'm just going to speed through that. Okay, so now that all of them are picked out, it's going to be much faster and easier for me to apply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my glue out and begin to apply. I just place the glue on the nail, just a drop because that's enough, and move it around a little bit. You don't want to do too much because that'll make it really messy. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on and hold it down for 5 seconds. Make sure there's no air pockets in there, okay? Okay, so I'm going to do the same to the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that those are all on, I'm going to cut them to my preferred size. I like medium to short to medium, because I like to still be able to get a lot of things done. I'm still not at the point where I can wear super long nails because I have so much to do, like so much lifting and all that stuff. So let's do medium, short to medium. And I'm going to use this tool. This tool I did get off of Amazon as well. It comes in a pack of 3 and I love it. Makes things super easy. But if you don't have this, you can just trim it with a regular nail clipper.
It's done. It's done.
What?
It's done water.
Okay. Okay, so those are cut, and now I'm going to file them. I like, with coffin nails, I like to go ahead and file the edges down nicely so that it can give me a little bit of a curve and then file down the top so it's not as sharp looking, not as square looking, more coffin-y, if you understand what I'm saying. Oops. Alright, so I'll show you what I do. So I take my file and I file down the side. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah. And I do that to all the nails on each side. Alright, so if you guys can see that shape, that's how I want the rest of the nails to look. So I'm just going to finish that off and I'll be right back. Okay, so now they're filed down to what I like, and the shape I like and the size. So what I'm going to do is wash my hands to get all of the little furry stuff off so that I can begin to paint. Okay guys, so now I'm going to get ready to paint. So what I'm going to do is, I didn't even really pick my color, but I'm really liking this one because I know it's going to come out like super light and kind of transparent, and that's what I like right now. So I'm going to start with this one. This shade is Wear Pink, Get Paid from Sally Henson Salon Manicure, okay? Wear Pink, Get Paid. It's the mood I'm in. Okay, so this isn't as transparent as I thought it would be. It's super like pink, but we'll make it work. It's fine with me. I'm okay with that. Gotta make it work. Okay, so to bedazzle, I'm just gonna be putting this down, and this is a new thing I do. And I'm going to put a little bit, like a couple drops of the glue. And that's what I'm going to use to stick the stones on my finger.
Wow! Oh, really pretty.
Okay, nice little crystal nail. I don't think I'm going to do an accent nail like this on the other hand, only because it was super hard. But I am going to put the one crystal on each nail.